Well, it looks like people are looking for an update. People are starting to wonder what happened to me, where I am. So let me give you my pathetic ass update. Well, apparently, I did not get a job. Therefore, I did not get money. No job, no money equals no rent. And my GoFundMe account doesn't do shit for me. Nobody freaking shares it, nobody donates. So, I'm back right here. Yep. Right here in the middle of a freaking snowstorm. Look at this shit. Are you kidding me? 2.5 weeks ago it was 70 degrees. Just when you think winter's over, it bitch slaps you. Last night I froze my ass off. And right now, it's only like 26 degrees with this snowstorm going on. Yeah. I'm sick of this shit. I'm done. Like, it's, look how freaking thick this shit is, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look how thick it is. I'm cold. Yeah. Plow that shit. Oh, you're laying salt. Wow, that's a lot of salt. I'm going in where it's nice and warmer. Man. Well, it's 10:15. And I guess I'm going to sit down and watch my movie. Right back where I always am. So yeah, here's my freaking update. Yeah, well, I appreciate y'all worrying about me though. I really do. That's actually surprising. I didn't think people actually cared. Of course, all of you guys who do care are nowhere around me. So, at least I know that you care. Not that yeah. I don't fucking know. It's just, my mind is so boggled right now because I'm right here again. Here I sit, pathetically, with ramen noodles in my cooker. Yep. Here's your update. Peace. You know what? Here's an update on my update. Look at this shit. Can you see it? Can you see that shit? Yeah. This sucks ass. Oh my god, it's like 27 degrees. At least I got the heater. At least I got the heater. It's cold as shit. Fuck, and the wind's blowing. Can you see how fast the snow's going by? I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can see that, can't you? Man, it's snowing sideways. What's up with that? I'm glad that this wall right here has a little tuck around. So the heater kind of buckles up in here. And it blocks the wind. So the wind don't hit me. Haha. Oh, my bad. So yeah, here's an update on my update. Peace. Another thing. I somehow don't have gloves anymore. I left them behind somewhere because there was a long patch of time where I didn't need them. It wasn't that cold out, you know, but now I wish I knew where I left them. Because it's cold. I gotta do this shit to keep them warm. And I kind of have bad blood circulation, so when they're cold, like, I can't move them that fast. So rolling a cigarette sucks. I'm always like, yeah, something like that. I wouldn't be out here freezing, coughing, aching, and some sneezing if I only had a job.